All right, so real quick, I want to kind of go through some music real quick, show you guys what the stereo sounds like with the stock speakers before I go ahead and rip these out and put uh, the Infinities in. So I got some music queued up here. This is this is all copyright free stuff. Let's go ahead and peep what it sounds like. Hopefully this sounds good and you guys can get a good representation of what's happening here. So 45 is where it clips, or just before it clips. Now, one thing I do notice is that the sound is definitely better. At 45, it's not as loud as the others, and that could be explained by that little magnet and driver or the woofer only being, for however many watts that's putting out. Now, when we amplify these, it's going to be a huge difference. But one thing I did know is that when I go ahead and I crank this I can crank it all the way to max, and literally I get no distortion because it's not overpowering the speaker and the deck's not clipping. And it does sound pretty good. It's louder, it's more bass, it's more highs. It just sounds better. I hope that all came out clear on the phone recording for y'all. But here in person, let me tell you, just if I was just be doing the upgrade, the $220 I spent on just the 6x9 component set from Infinity, the Kappas, that was definitely worth $220. They sound great, as I expected them to sound. Before, I could only bring my volume up to like 45 before it kind of really started to clip and like the sound roll off. But as of right now, those two fronts, they came out. They sound great. I can't wait to put an amplifier on them because I clearly don't have whatever 15, 20 watts that are going to these things, or not nearly as much as what they can take RMS. And RMS, for you guys to know, RMS is sorry, still got that cold, but for RMS, that is what the speaker can handle at a constant running power, man. Like if it says 100 watts RMS, you could put 100 watts to that bad boy, long as you're not clipping, and let it eat all day, and she shouldn't have no issues. So we're clearly nowhere near the max RMS on or no problem, that these speakers can take. I am still waiting on UPS to come and drop off the 6.5s so we can do the rear and check those out. And then once we get the rears in and we get those checked out on the sound check, and then check it all out together real quick, then the next step is going to be for me to put the juice to them, and let's see how these bad boys really sound once they get to eating. Until then, I think I'm going to go ahead and go inside and chill off and kind of relax because I am under the weather. So, yeah, that's the next thing for me to do for now. Just going ahead. I'm probably going to bump a couple more jams and just kind of check, enjoy the $200 that I spent just on upgrading door speakers there. And we'll get back to it. But until then, y'all, peace. Check you later.